Right. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Handsome Blader. And today, I got back from getting my second COVID-19 vaccination. And wow, I just can't believe it. I'm so happy. I'm finally fully vaccinated. And also, I got another badge of honor. And I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving break last week. I know I did. I had a cousin from Boston fly over, and 2 cousins live already here, and they had an uncle and auntie come from Chicago. And we ate a lot of food, and I remember that on the last day, that my cousin from Boston, he was gonna leave, we went to a place called Sports Connection. We had a lot of fun playing laser tag there. And yeah, today is a very special day for me. Guess what? Today is my 100th video. Yay! And actually, I'm just so glad, you know? I can't believe I've come this far. I remember that first day I started YouTubing, I'm like, hey Mom, can we start YouTubing? It would be fun, you know? My mom's like, alright, yeah, have some fun. And I never expected it to be as like what it is today, you know? So I really just want to thank you for everything. You know, you supported me from that day until now. It's been like 2 years. So yeah, I'm very grateful for the chance to be a YouTuber, and I'm very grateful for having you guys supporting me. But yeah, enough of me. We got a unboxing video today. To celebrate my 100th video, my parents have decided to surprise me with a little something, and here it is. Here it is. This is the Oculus Quest 2 from Facebook, or Meta. And if you haven't watched my Metaverse video, please go watch that right now, because this has some sort of connection to that video. And my parents got this from Costco for $3.99, and it came with this cool little case. It's pretty rough, actually, pretty hard. And you put your controllers here and the headset right here. So yeah, that's actually pretty neat. And overview of the box. This is my favorite part, the Oculus logo right here. And we got the 256 gigabyte version. It says right there. And inside the box, you get the VR headset, the silicone cover for facial interface, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, 1 power adapter, glasses spacer, so if you're wearing glasses, if you wear glasses, you can use this VR headset, and a charging cable. And on the front, it shows the Oculus Quest 2 and has the name. It also says from Facebook. So this was created when Facebook was Facebook, not Meta. Now moving on to the back, we got all 6 of the games that were pretty hyped up. I'm pretty sure you noticed Beat Saber right here, one of the most famous VR games, and it looks really fun. I can't wait to try it. So they have Jurassic World Aftermath, The Climb 2, Star Wars Tales from Galaxy's Edge, Horizon, which was actually made by Facebook right here, Population 1, that looks fun, and of course, Beat Saber. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing of this thing. So you require 3 things to get the Oculus Quest 2 started. You need a Facebook account. I'll be using my parents'. You need wireless internet access. And also, you'll need a smartphone for the Oculus app. And as for the box, well, so far, first impressions, just a cardboard box. But I do like that they added the Oculus logo right here. So, oh wow, this is actually a nice box. So, as you can see, it has that white kind of interior. And in it comes, of course, the headset, and the silicone cover for the facial interface. It also comes with this thing that you plug the USB in. I think it's for the charging. The accessories such as like the charger will be getting into this. And it also comes with the glasses spacer. So if you're wearing glasses, you can use the Oculus. And it comes with 2 controllers. And honestly, these feel actually pretty light. I thought they were going to be a lot heavier than what they are right now. But yeah, these are the 2 controllers. Now, inside of right here we have, so you open it up sleekly like this. We have the Oculus logo. And in here, we have the guides and the warning guide, and here is the guide. And I like how they organize it in this Oculus like pocket thing. And we have the charger in here, and that's what this is for. So this end of the charger plugs into this outlet like this, so it plugs into an outlet for charging. And yeah, that's the unboxing of the Oculus. Let's get into the gameplay and how to set it up. Alright, so I'm going through a setup process, and it feels like out of this world, honestly. Like, it feels like if here I'm in the real world, then if I go like this, I'm in an entirely different world, you know? Like, it's like a screen right here, and whenever I move, that screen is following me. So I think that's actually really cool. So yeah, I'm in the setup process right now, but when I'm done, I'll project it onto the TV so you can see some of my gameplay.